Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text and logo from any video. So if you want to remove text, logos, or watermarks from a video, whether you are editing for YouTube or maybe TikTok, this guide will show you the methods to erase unwanted elements without reducing the video quality. So you can use a video editor like VN, CapCut, or maybe InShot. But today's I'm going to show you how you can use the online watermark remover to remove text and logo from your video. So now the first you can just open your browser and then just search for 123 apps. So you can just use this keyword 123 apps, search for it, and this one will be appear. Click on it. So you can just go to this page 123apps.com and just scroll down until you find the logo remover options. This one, remove logo from video. So just tap on that. Now you'll be asked to upload the file. So by using this feature, you can erase logo, image, watermark, or date from video. Tap on open file. Choose the media picker. Now select the videos that you want to remove its watermark. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this video. Tap on a video and here you can just select one or more areas that you wish to remove from your video. So here I'm going to enable the desktop side view to make it easier. Okay, tap on add files again. Okay, I'm going to select the area in here. I don't know why I cannot select the area. Okay, so you just basically need to select this area in here, and then after that the logo or watermark will be removed. So that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Thank you.